welcome back to my channel. I'm Naya. If you're new, hi. On this channel I make videos trying out beauty as well as hair growth remedies. If that is what you're interested in, you might as well consider subscribing to this channel, and don't forget to turn on that bell notification so you won't miss out on any of my future videos. So for today's video, I am going to be making a simple DIY pink lip scrub. On my previous DIY lip scrub video, someone requested I make this, so here it is, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, comment. I plan on making this video as short and quick as possible, so without further ado, let's just dive right into the video. So to start off, I'm just adding 2 tablespoons of sugar into the bowl. Now for this measurement, I'm just eyeballing them. I don't have any specific measurement for them, and I'm going to add like 2 to 3 drops of coconut oil. You can make use of any oil of your choice, and I'm adding just a little bit of honey to it, and I added more. Now this is lemon. I cut up a lemon, and I decided to use just one part of it, which I did not finish. I just squeezed in just a few drops, and here I'm adding food coloring, a red food coloring. This is totally optional. You don't have to do this if you don't have food coloring at home. And now I'm just mixing the ingredients together and adding more food coloring because I just wanted to have a very attractive color. So you want to make sure that this mixture is not too runny and not too grainy. That is the perfect consistency. So after I get the consistency I want, I just go ahead and just store everything up in a little container, and this mixture can last me for about 2 whole weeks before making a new one. Now how to use this, I just make use of this morning and at night. Exfoliating your lips with this DIY lip scrub helps keep them soft, smoother, and even brighter, and it helps retain moisture and keeps them crack free. Now I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned 1 or 2 things from this video. I've come to the end of this video. If this was helpful, don't forget to give this a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them on the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.